Hi there, everyone. It is Kim Crumpus from the Price Action Traders Institute, and a question that often boggles traders' minds is whether or not they can time the market. And the answer, short answer, is no, absolutely not. There's no way to predict when a market will move or if a market will move. But what you can do is to consistently show up at the same time every time you sit down to trade, whether it's the London session or the New York session. So let's go ahead and take a look at a video that I shot for our group about our trade planning session, getting in trades at a certain time of day each day, and how this can affect your outcomes and your profitability. All right, let's go out there now. Hey there, everyone. It is Kim, and Matthew asked me to do a quick video on the dollar CAD to explain to him how I got my little 5-pip trade out of this move. All right, so when we did the planning session, we had a clear directional move short. The market was trending downward in the dollar CAD. Now, as New York session traders, we begin our look and analysis at 5 a.m. Pacific, 8 a.m. Eastern. That's the earliest we can take trades. That's 1 hour before the planning session. Okay, so timing today mattered. And in this case, this was the 5 a.m. candle. This was around the time I start looking at charts, of course, and I saw this setup. Beautiful. Got in this short right here. Never went against me, and then made a beautiful drop. Now, while we were on the planning session, this is the time when the planning session begins, right? I think on this candle, let me just double check, make sure this is the 6 a.m. candle. Yes. So this is when we begin the planning session. And once this candle closed, we drew the yellow line here. And if you took this trade here, it immediately went against you and you would have lost 10 pips. So meanwhile, I was in this trade and I was able to just grab 5 pips before it moved completely against me and take me out. All right, so that's how I got +5. Very simple, right off this yellow line here. Nice drop, 26 pips. Yeah, I didn't have a chance to really grab it because what? I was on the planning session. And before the planning session, I didn't grab 20 pips. Which, you know, in hindsight, ooh, I could have, but I'm strategic. Today is the last day of my trading week. All week, I've had great trading days. So I'm a little more open or aggressive to trying to work trades. And today, guess what? Didn't work out. Today was a day of, oh, let's try to just salvage what we can. And now you can see the price just has continued to ramp up and pretty much taking away most of this move. It hasn't completely done it yet, but most of the move is over to the downside for now. As it gets later, New York has been open about 2 hours, and so I would not take a trade here. And if you got stopped out here, there would have been no re-entries on this, because remember, we have a very specific rule and strategy on re-entries. We don't take them as the trade's moving against us anymore. We look to go in the direction of the overall move. And in this case, it never materialized. All right, so I hope that clarifies and I hope that helps everyone, even if you're not in the group. I hope you learned something from this video. Hi there again. I just want to thank you for listening to the video, and I hope that you learned something from it. And if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can contact me through my website at priceactiontradersinstitute.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions I can. Also, check out our membership and also our Course Plus membership. You get 1 free month in the membership right now. So I'm Kim Crumpus. Thanks again for listening. I hope you have a great day.